Cool. So lots of years now we've been trying to make our smartphones have more of a PC-like experience. And with the Lumia 950 and the Lumia 950 XL, we have something called Continuum, and that gives you a PC-like experience on any screen that you're in front of at the time. So I've just got the 950 plugged up via the USB-C connector to the actual Microsoft display dock. That then converts the actual cable to HDMI out. So any screen I'm in front of, it might be in a hot desk, call centre, I could be in a hotel in a Premier Inn midweek in Manchester staying over. I can make use of that screen. It all of a sudden turns into my office experience. So as soon as you plug it in, you get the familiar Windows 10 experience, you get your desktop mode. You also get things like your taskbar, and with Windows 10 we also brought back the start button, because everyone, when we bought Windows 8 out, was up in uproar saying, where's my start button gone? So we brought back that very familiar experience when it comes to user experience. I've just got a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard hooked up to here as well. You can, interestingly as well, use the phone as a giant glass touchpad. So if you didn't have any Bluetooth accessories with you whilst you're away on work, you can use the actual device.
You can use it as a touchpad,
So obviously when you hit the start button, it brings up your very familiar live tiles, so just shortcuts to what you use on a regular basis. When you click on all applications, again, the same as the phone experience and desktop experience, the apps are in alphabetical order, so you can very quickly and easily find what you need to find. And it's over 120 million people are using the desktop experience, tablet experience already, and loving the new Windows 10 experience. And that experience is now coming to the 950 and the 950 XL. So what also is very familiar, if I just go to email, for example, it brings up the synonymous white and blue experience of Outlook and Hotmail.
Which looked exactly like the PC version of it.
Exactly, yeah. So if I go into a particular email here, and go to reply, it also gives me advanced editing options to reply with as well, so I can change the font size, font colour. I can also very quickly and easily copy and paste content from one email or from one document into the body of the email. So yeah, as you get more of a PC-like experience on the go, and that's the same not just for email but also for calendar. Let's have a quick look into calendar. I was one of my plans today was to be in Glasgow, as you can see I'm in Manchester, so I got called out at the very last minute today. But yeah, it's got more advanced options. You can actually see colour-coded options when it comes to calendar. So if I just click into one of the events today, I can also very quickly and easily invite people to the event as well. So again, it's more of a PC-like experience than Windows 8 and previous.
So when you go to your all apps list there, are the apps that greyed out are the ones that are just traditional phone apps, and the others are universal?
Very good question. So the app experience, customers will now, all developers have created a Windows 10 universal application. And the great thing about it is once they've created ones with a small little tweak, they work across tablet, desktop, Xbox and mobile. So when we've gone from having a relatively small customer database that came to just phone, we've now got a massive customer database for developers to get really excited about, because there's over 120 million people already using it on desktop and tablet, and we're hoping for 1.5 billion Windows 10 users in 2.5 years across all the different bits of hardware and software platforms we're using. And so if I pop into the it's the phone experience. It's very quick and easy to use on the device as well, interestingly. And if you want to go to Word, Excel and PowerPoint, it's great as well. So if I'm in a Premier Inn and I can just plug the actual device into the TV and I can do my work with that screen. So if I click into PowerPoint, not only can you open documents and edit documents, you can also create documents on the go as well. And all you need to do that is an Office 365 license, which a lot of customers and business customers would use Office 365 anyway, so they log into their account, they can access all their work anywhere because it's installed in the OneDrive. Very quickly create documents or open up existing documents and make finer tweaks. So I can do work on the go. I might be on a train from like London to Leeds, and I can do a draft copy of a PowerPoint presentation, for example. And then I can just finish it off on the desktop mode when I get back when I need to.
And so while Continuum is running, can you then on the phone do something else?
Yeah.
So say you've got your email up on there.
That's cool. So if you're using it for work, you might have your email up or Word, Excel, PowerPoint. But the phone works completely separately in the background at the same time. So on a personal level, let's bring some media up, for example. Go to Group Music. And on the train from London to Leeds, I can be building a playlist of music.
Yeah.
So when I get back to my desktop experience, I'll plug it into Continuum. That playlist is there ready for me to play. So if I just go to one of my playlists here, the phone itself will start playing the music.
Yeah.
But also in the background I can use the phone completely simultaneously doing something else.
Yeah.
So I can be listening to some music, watching a film, doing some work, at the same time I can be messaging on the device.
Because you've got the mouse and keyboard there, this is now independent.
Completely independent, yes, and also we're using the Continuum display dock here, the Microsoft display board, but also if you've got a smart TV phone that's got Wi-Fi built in the Miracast, you can also bypass this device and beam it directly from the device to the no wires whatsoever. So 1 minute you can be watching Sky Sports, watching your football, and the next minute I might just do some Christmas shopping at Amazon. So you can very quickly switch your source, put it over on your TV, and just beam the screen, continue up to a screen with no wires whatsoever.
Excellent. Thanks very much for that. And I know that the Continuum dock is out now, isn't it, with the 950 and 950 XL?
That's right, and the guys here have got some fantastic offers on. So any customer today getting Lumia 950 on there, they'll get a free Microsoft display dock. It's just tonight only for the insiders. So if you fancy getting a device before it launches at a great price point and with a free display dock, you can pick up one of them over there.
Great. Thanks very much for the demo.
Welcome.